Tuning Up, Deciphering the Phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, tuning up. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, when to use it, and how it has been applied in various contexts. Let's get started. Before we delve into its figurative meanings, let's understand the literal meaning of tuning up. The word tune refers to adjusting the pitch of something, mostly in the context of musical instruments. So when you're tuning up a guitar, you're adjusting its strings to make sure it sounds just right. Example: before the concert began, the guitarist spent a few minutes tuning up his guitar. Now, apart from its literal sense, tuning up has some figurative meanings as well. 1. Preparing or making adjustments. Just like tuning a musical instrument, you can tune up other things. For instance, tuning up a car means to inspect and adjust it to ensure it's running smoothly. Example: I need to take my car to the mechanic for a tuning up. 2. Improving skills or knowledge. It can also be used in the context of refining one's skills or knowledge. Example: before the math competition, she spent weeks tuning up her algebra skills. While tuning up typically relates to adjustments and improvements, it's not the same as turning up, which means to arrive or appear somewhere. Ensure you're using the right phrase in the right context. Example: I hope she turns up for the party tonight. This is about attendance, not adjustments. And there we have it. Tuning up is all about making adjustments, whether it's with instruments, machines, or skills. Remember, language is rich with phrases that can have both literal and figurative meanings. I hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.